Hey guys, so today I am doing a cook with me video. I am making Cajun shrimp Alfredo. We're gonna try some. I've made this recipe like 2 times before, and it always turns out really good. Like totally. I don't know why I said totally, but yeah, it was really good. So I'm gonna try to make that again on camera. Hopefully the results are the same as always. So without further ado, let's go make some stir fry. Up some of this chicken sausage. A lot of people I know do not eat pork. I do. I just grabbed the wrong sausage. So we're gonna cut this up, and if I could cube it, this. I cut it in half. And about 1 inch, half an inch, if that makes sense. Like that, or if you like yours thicker, like that. Okay, so after this, we are going to season our sausage a little bit more than what it is. We're going to use a Creole seasoning salt, Cajun seasoning, my favorite. We're just going to mix it all together. Mix, you know. So instead of vegetable oil, we're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil onto a pan and get ready to brown them on the skillet. Saute them real good so they get darker. It's already cooked, but I like mine with a little crisp to it. So yeah. So after we let out the water in the shrimp, we're just gonna season it. I'm using the same seasonings that I was using for the sausage. I'm adding just a couple different ones. There's Old Bay seasoning. I'm adding cayenne pepper, and I'm also adding black pepper to it. And then after that, we're just gonna mix it up. All right, so now we're going to saute the shrimp, and we're gonna leave them on there until they get pink. So and now we're just boiling pasta. It's simple. If you don't know how to boil pasta, it's on the box. Alright, so off camera, I mixed in the sausage and the shrimp with the pasta, and I also poured in the Alfredo sauce into a pot so that it could boil and get warm, and then there is the finished product. That is Cajun shrimp Alfredo.